So, dear colleagues, upon request on how to install a printer on your Macs, I want to just show you, guide you, walk you through how it's done. So, I'm going to open a new, let me go on the internet and then open, let me go with this account. All right. So this is my channel where I keep my valuable videos that I make for the staff. So this is what we're gonna do. So if you want to install a Mac printer driver on your Mac, first, you need to check the operating system version. So we're gonna move the mouse up, left upper corner is this Apple, and then you click on about this Mac. It's gonna tell you what is the operating system. And then apparently mine is Sequoia. On some of yours, it's going to be Ventura. In some of it's going to be new versions of OS. So mine is Sequoia. All right. So what we're going to do next is you're going to go on Google. Since I know what mine is Sequoia, you're going to type Xerox driver, Google it, and then you click on drivers and downloads. All right. Then on here, you're going to click on drivers and downloads, and then from there you're gonna pick your operating system, which mine is Sequoia. Don't mind the numbers on here. Sometimes it's gonna be 14. That's the diameter of your screen. So Sequoia, that's what matters. Here we're gonna pick. Let me see which one is it. Sequoia. I think that's the version. Yeah. So I'm going to pick Sequoia. All right. On here, it's going to be, it should, drivers. And then here it should give us an option, colorful printer. Click on apply filters. And then you'll see that there's going to be only one driver listed for you. All right. As you can see, just one driver listed. You're going to click on agree and then download. So right now it is downloading it. We wait for the download. After that, I'm gonna click on, let's wait for download to complete. In a minute, oh yeah, so double click on your driver. It's in, or you can also get there from, click on Finder, right? 1 second, my windows seem to be awkward. So let's say here. So you open this window, and then on here it says downloads. So just go on downloads. That's going to be the last file you, and then you double click on this file. Click on allow. And then you are going to download your driver. It is installing it. Let me close this. All right, I'm dealing with. So continue, agree, install, and then you're going to put your password, the one you used to log into your Mac. All right, it's going to run through the installation. Continue, select the printer. On here, you're going to select the one which says 2.107. This is the colorful printer in middle school. All right, you're going to click on continue, and then it is going to install it for you. All right, I'm not going to continue installation because I already have it. Now, next step on printing is important. So let's say you want to print this page, all right, on the browser. This is what you're going to do. This is important. So you go on print, Command P, and then from here, you have to choose the printer that you installed. In my case, it's going to be this printer. All right. And then you click on So you have this. You're going to click on more settings. You scroll down and then you click on print using system dialog. Unfortunately, we have to do it every time we print from the browser. All right. And then from there, you're going to choose the printer that you recently installed, which is Prime Link. And then from here, before I save the settings, I'm going to go scroll down, click on printer options, and then find the Xerox features. This is important. From there, you are going to click on paper out, choose advanced. From advanced, you're going to click on accounting, and then here you're going to put your 4-digit password that you use for Xerox printing. All right, whatever it is, just type it once and it is going to be saved. You click on OK. You click on OK again, and then here another important step. You have to save the current setting as preset, so you don't have to put your password every time. Okay, just name it something that will recall. So you can say prints color or prints fine, whatever you think your preset should be, and then you click on print. So the indicator that it works will be this pop-up window. If it's asking for passcode, which you already put in the settings, means it is going to print it. Okay, that's the indicator that your printout will come out. If you don't see this window, then it's not going to be printing. All right, let me do it again. So I'm going to close this. So let's say I want to print something. Let's say docs.new. I open a new document and I want to print it from there. Okay, test, Command P, and then again, you can go on more settings. Okay, and then again, same way, print using system dialog. And then this is super important. You have to pick the printer from here or it's not going to work. Prime, and then from preset, remember we saved it as prints color. And then you click on print, it is going to ask you the window. All right, that means it works. Thank you very much. All right.